Hey guys, today I'm doing a tutorial on this makeup look. It was inspired for like a holiday type of festive type of season. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. Later on in the video, I mentioned that I haven't just played around with makeup like this in a really long time with like different colors and glitter and texture and stuff like that. So it was fun. And I also am super excited because I have been so stuck, not only on like the same eye look recently, but just the same base, like foundation and highlight and everything like that. And today I tried something different and it just felt good. I love the way my skin is looking today. It feels super light and fresh, but really good coverage. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So to start off this look, I'm just gonna prime, like always. Did anything even come out on the side? This is my Makeup Forever Skin Smoothing Primer. I like this to help to fill in my pores and stuff like that. So, I'm just, oh my gosh. Why am I wearing white? This should turn translucent, right? It's primer. Alright, primer is on me and on the floor. I feel inspired to try something different with my foundation today. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier foundation primer and I use this to mix into my foundation normally, like my regular routine. This is not my regular routine. But today I'm going to mix it with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Sand. I haven't used this in a little while, like over a little while. I literally am just applying the lightest layer. I don't really put any on my nose, just whatever is left over after I blend it all out, just so that way the color matches on my nose. But I like to let my freckles show and to leave that little rosy nose, that little rosy red color on my nose because I feel like it looks more natural. Now I'm going to just take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is in the shade Light to Medium. I normally use the shade Medium, but I ran out of it, so I gotta use this one. And I'm just gonna mix it with the rest of the foundation that's on my hand so that way it gets a little darker. And I'm gonna take a little bit of my MAC Prep and Prime in the shade Bright Forecast and just use that for my concealer. I'm gonna just set my concealer with some powder. I always use this one. This is my MAC Studio Fix. I don't think it's the best powder, it's just what I have right now. And I'm trying to use up all the makeup that I have before I buy more. But one of my favorite setting powders of all time is the IT Cosmetics translucent one. I love this foundation combination. I think I like it more right now than my L'Oreal combination that I've been doing. I just feel like this looks more like my skin somehow. Also, I'm putting on bronzer. Now I'm going to switch over to highlight, and I'm thinking of using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. This was like the OG highlighter for a lot of people for so long. I don't know if it was OG, but it was up there. A lot of people were using it. I haven't used it in a while. Normally I use Gold Deposit from MAC. I'm actually going to take a little bit of my Becca Opal highlighter and just mix a little bit of this on top, just a little bit of this. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera. I do have a brow tutorial that I'll link in my description. My brow routine has changed slightly only because my hair is getting a little bit darker since the blonde is growing out. So I'm thinking about doing an updated brow tutorial. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that, but for right now I'm going to do it off camera. Don't know how this happens to me, only when I wear white. Alright, anyways. Brows are done. I'm just going to go ahead and start working on my eyeshadow. I came up with an idea, sort of. Not really an idea, but colors that I want to use. And I'm so excited because I pulled out these three from my makeup collection, and I think these are going to be super pretty. So I'm going to start off by using Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek as like my crease shade, sort of. It's literally so cloudy out today. It's cold. I don't feel like going outside, but I'm gonna. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this pigment from MAC. It's in the shade Heritage Rogue. I'm just gonna spray my brush. This is just like a shader brush with some of my Mario spray. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying this I guess to my lids. I use the brush to create the shape that I want, but I'm not doing, maybe I should do I'm not doing a cut crease today, so I'll blend that line out later. It's just to get the product where I want it. That's why it looks so like sharp right now. I'm gonna take that brush that I was using earlier. It has no extra product on it, just what already is left on it. I'm gonna use it to blend out the edges a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of Cocoa Bear and start building up the outer corner some more and blending it some more into the crease. I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. Hope it turns out the same. Next, I'm gonna take MAC's Pigment in Blue Brown. And I used to use this a lot when I was in high school. I was thinking about this earlier. I was thinking about how I used to do my makeup, specifically like my sophomore year. And that was when I was dyeing my hair, like my sophomore year, junior year. That's when I was dyeing my hair like those crazy colors, like purple, blue, whatever I did. And I was doing some really intense makeup, like a lot of black smoky eyes often, and a lot of thick liner. I was just thinking about that today for some reason. And just crazy how much my style has changed. Enough about that little rant. I'm gonna get my brush wet again and pick up a little bit of this pigment. And I'm gonna focus this one, thinking like the inner, or I mean the middle of my lid. Wow, this looks really pretty on top of that other shade. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I love how this is coming out, you guys. I feel like it's really making my eyes pop. It's like complementing the color. It's smoky, it's different, it's colorful. I'm gonna just take a little bit of Cocoa Bear again and just smudge it on my lower lash line a bit. Last like bit of eyeshadow type of thing, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter because why not? This is also from MAC and it's in the shade Raining Riches, and it's like this copper colored glitter. I don't use glitter too much, so I'm hoping that this will work. I sprayed my brush with a little bit more of the Mario spray, and I'm just gonna apply this glitter to the inner corners. You might want to try like a glitter adhesive. That might work better, but I don't have one. And I think that's gonna be it for like shadow and stuff like that. I'm torn between if I want to do winged liner. I don't think I want to because I want the focus to be on the eyeshadow, but I just know that it'll look really bomb. I've decided no liner, just some lashes. And the lashes that I'm using today are my Ardell Demi Wispies, but these are the ones where the outer corners are like doubled, they're like thicker. And last thing for lips, I was thinking of doing a matte lip color. Should I? I always wear lip gloss, but honestly I just feel like lip gloss would be so cute with the glitter. I feel like it would be like an all over glow, all over glossiness, you know what I mean? Okay, so that's gonna be it for this makeup. I hope that you guys liked it. I literally love this look so much, and I think it kind of is like a little bit unique for a holiday look. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please thumbs it up and please subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know down in the comments what other videos you guys want to see right now. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.